At Unitapart, it takes only a few clicks of the mouse to find the exact car part that you're looking for. First, select the year of your car. Then, choose the make. Perhaps you have a Dodge. Then choose the model. I'm hoping you have a Dodge Charger, but if you don't, you could always click on More Models to see what else there is. But I'm going to click on Charger. You'll then be presented with two lists. One is a list of the most popular items that people have been looking for. Can't find the part? Then you can make a selection from the drop-down list. Remember, it's a long list, so go through it carefully. I'm going to choose an outside mirror. Look what happens. It's asking me, is this a power mirror? Is this painted? Is this for the right side or left side? Make a choice, and then you'll be presented with a form. Most importantly, put your zip code in. That way we can find salvage yards that are closest to you. But perhaps you have a question or two about the part. No problem. After you put in your zip code, provide an email address. And once you click Find Part Now, you'll see salvage yards that have that particular part, but also your request will go out to hundreds of salvage yards that are part of Unitapart. If any of our salvage yards have the item in stock, you'll see either a Buy Now button, which means you could just click and purchase the part, or you might see Call or Email, and you could call or email the salvage yard and then talk to them about any questions you might have and make a purchase over the phone.